In the WhatsApp group that I have created for my patients, one of my patients asked, can I use these gummy bears instead of taking apple cider vinegar? Because the taste of apple cider vinegar is not very good. Will the benefits of these gummy bears be the same as taking ACV? Assalamu alaikum, wonderful people. I am Dr. Asma Mahmood. And if you see the nutritional profile of these gummy bears, it says that two gummy bears contain 4 grams of sugar. That is to say, one gummy bear has 2 grams of sugar. And the thing is, they have only 500 milligram of apple cider vinegar actually, which is very, very less because even if you take 4 gummy bears, that will only be 1 grams of apple cider vinegar, while the dose of apple cider vinegar is anywhere between 1 to 2 tablespoons. That is 15 grams to 30 grams. And most of the researches that have been done on apple cider vinegar, either for weight loss or for immunity enhancing or for digestible, they use very hefty doses. In some researches, even 1/4 of a cup has been used daily. One of the very first videos that we made on our YouTube channel was how to make apple cider vinegar at home. Do watch the video because apple cider vinegar is not only great to make for yourself, you can make it and sell it also. Apple cider vinegar, being a probiotic, has a lot of health benefits. In fact, on our channel you will find how to make many other probiotics like sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir. So subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right with it to get all these healthy beneficial recipes. In fact, if you don't like the taste of apple cider vinegar, instead of gummy bears, you can use any of these probiotics. These are very healthy, very tasty, and they can be used as a regular addition to your food instead of taking these probiotics as pills or gummy bears. We have made both detailed long videos as well as short 1-minute videos. And if apple cider vinegar causes sore throat for you, you can use date vinegar. It is much more milder and it has much more health benefits. In fact, taking vinegar is one of the great sunnah of our Prophet ﷺ. He used to take it as food, and many narrations narrate the blessings and benefits of vinegar. And I always argue all these benefits and blessings of vinegar that he talked about must not be about apple cider vinegar. There were no apples in Medina, isn't there? There were dates over there. So, the vinegar that he used to take must be date vinegar. Anyway, whatever vinegar you take, make sure that it is with the mother of vinegar. Mother of vinegar are basically the probiotics that impart the health benefits of any vinegar. You can use it as a dressing for your soups or salads or curries or chutneys, but make sure that you shake it up to mix up all the probiotics, and you should not heat whatever you put your vinegar in, because heating will destroy the probiotic. And coming back to the question of whether gummy bears will give the same benefits as apple cider vinegar is a huge no. Because firstly, gummy bears do not have probiotics. In making gummy bears, you destroy all the probiotics. Secondly, they have artificial flavors, artificial colors, and the thing is it has a high sugar content which is very harmful for health, especially for younger kids. And it has dangerous additives, and the thing is the dose is very low. Even if you take 4 gummy bears, that is only 1 gram of apple cider vinegar, while 1 tablespoon gives you 15 grams. So better put spoonfuls on your food. You can also mix it up in your smoothies, juices, or even in plain water and drink. So in the comment section below, do tell me what kind of probiotics do you use, and have you ever thought about starting a business of selling probiotics? Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.